What are the most common types of tree removal equipment? The most common types of tree removal equipment include chainsaws, pole saws, stump grinders, wood chippers, aerial lifts, such as bucket trucks and spider lifts, cranes, and rigging systems. Each piece of equipment serves a specific purpose in the tree removal process, from cutting and dismantling to debris management and stump removal. Our team combines expertise with state-of-the-art equipment to handle tree removals of all sizes and complexities in Murfreesboro and surrounding areas. For a free consultation on your tree removal project, contact Stump Eater Tree Service at 615-796-6694 or visit our website at stumpeater.com.